Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to place holds on both customers and sales orders. Then we'll explore how holds impact specific workflows, and we'll conclude by releasing a hold so order fulfillment can proceed. So let's get started. On occasion, you may need to place a customer on a temporary hold until the issue can be resolved. This functionality has been built into FOURA to safeguard your business so that other downstream events cannot occur while the customer holds are in place. To place a hold on a customer, go to the Customers form. In the form header, there's a Holds button. Once selected, the Customer Holds form will appear. Select the appropriate reason for the hold from the drop-down menu, and the date field will populate with the current date. And now we can enter a hold note, and select the Close button. On the customer record, we can see the On Hold indicator is red to visually indicate that there's an active hold in place. Even with a customer hold in place, the customer can continue to place sales orders with the business, as long as it complies with the available credit guidelines that's been defined with the customer record. If you want to keep new orders from being entered, set the credit limit and transaction limit to 0. And as a reminder, don't leave the credit limit and transaction limits as blank. That means there's no restrictions, so make a note on the Customers tab as to what the approved values were so that you can reinstate them later if needed. Sales orders cannot be released until the customer hold has been cleared. When a customer hold is set, FOURA will also prevent pick tickets from being completed until the customer hold has been cleared as well. To clear a customer hold, select the Holds button on the customer record. Enter the cleared date and select the Close button. Now you'll see that the On Hold indicator is no longer red and the customer activity can continue. Remember to re-enter the credit values if they had been adjusted. If you only want to put a single sales order on hold, FOURA allows that as well. Simply open up a sales order that is in draft or revising state and select the Holds button. When the Open Holds form appears, the user can select the plus button or click on the order number field to set the order number and the current date. Now select the reason, and we'll add a note. And now we'll select the Close button on the form. On the sales order, we can now see the On Hold indicator is red, which indicates that the active hold is in place. This hold will effectively keep this sales order from being released or picked up until the hold is cleared. To clear a hold on a sales order, select the Hold button, enter the cleared date, and select the Close button. Now you will see that the On Hold indicator is no longer red and the sales order can be released. Holds are also visible on the Browse Customers, Browse Sales Orders, and Browse Pick Ticket forms. Simply click on the green checkbox in the Browse form to view the hold details. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.